Hello everyone, welcome to this class. We are going to solve this exponential equation using our own shortcut. First, let's write out the equation. We have 3x is equal to x raised to power what? 9 is what we have. 3x is equal to x raised to power 9. Find x. First thing we are going to do, we are going to apply some basic rules of indices. First, we have this is 3x. We put it in bracket and multiply it by 1 over x times 9. This dot means times is equal to x raised to power 9. Put it in a bracket and multiply by 1 over x dot what? 9. After that, you open up the bracket, you have 3x dot 1 over x dot 9. This 3 is raised to power everything here. Same thing applies to the x part. X is raised to power 9 dot 1 over x dot 9. Hope you can see it. So when we multiply this out, this x is a whole number, not under. So x will cancel out this x, and you're left with 1 over 9. So you have 3 raised to power 1 over 9 is equal to x. 9 will cancel out. You're left with 1 over x. X raised to power 1 over x. So let's start solving the left hand side of the equation. Remember, this is equal to 0. So let us focus here first. You have 3 raised to power 1 over 9. Now we are trying to make this look like this, right? We can also say is equal to 3. Remember, 1 over 9 times 1 is still 1 over 9. So I will do 1 multiplied by 1 over 9, right? Okay, let's really just be writing it out. It's equal to x 1 over x. So this 1 over 1, 3 over 3 is still the same thing as what? 1. So I'll have 3 raised to power 3 over 3 dot 1 over 9. Because 3 over 3 is still 1, so nothing has changed here. We're just trying to make this to look like this. This is equal to 1 over x, right? X raised to power 1 over x. This x raised to power 1 over x. So this is still equal to x raised to power 1 over x. So we work on this. You have something like a 3 here. Let me take it out and take this out. So I'll have something like 3 raised to power 3 dot 3 times 9 is 27. 1 over 27. This is equal to x raised to power 1 over what? X. Are we together? So I can put this in bracket. It will be 3 raised to power 3. Remember the law of indices. 1 over 27 is equal to x 1 over 27. So the law of indices, you can separate the power in this form. When you remove the bracket, it will still come back to this form. So we call the power rule. So that's very simple. So next thing, 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So you have 27 raised to power 1 over 27 is equal to x raised to power 1 over x. So if I open up the bracket, I have 27 raised to power 1 over 27 is equal to x raised to power 1 over x. So by implication, this is 27 raised to power 1 over 27, and it's still the same as, like, it is equivalent to x raised to power 1 over x. So because we have the same pattern here and here, we will now say that x, therefore x is equal to what? 27. So this is our answer to this question using our shortcut, where we try to manipulate it to get both of them to look like each other and get the answer. So thank you. If you have any questions, do it, drop in the comment section. See you in the next class. Thank you.